Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool, amazing product right here, it is insane. Basically what this is a FOREO UFO. So this is basically like a 90-second face mask that you can use if you guys don't want to do like the face mask that you guys just put on your face. And in order for you guys to use this, you guys need to get the face mask that they have, which is right here. So obviously one of them is for nighttime and one of them is for daytime. So in order for me to show you guys how this works, let's open this up first. Alright, so when you open it up, this is basically what the product looks like right here. Very nice and premium product, if you guys can see. And when we take out the actual product itself, right here, they actually provide you guys a cable inside right here that you can use to recharge it. Let me take it out. Alright, so this is cable that you guys need to use to recharge it. And then they do provide you guys some more instruction card right here if you guys don't know how to use it. And then here's like a little stand that you can use to hold up the actual UFO right here, like that. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So in the front side, this is basically what it looks like right here. Feels really, really nice. They have the brand logo right there. But this side is only just for looks. The other side is where the magic happens. So you guys have to remove this part right here, if you can see. And make sure this part is clean before using it. The bottom part right here is where you plug in the cable to recharge it. And the top part is where you guys will activate it. And for this product, you guys actually need the app to kind of like use it. And if you guys don't know what the app is, it's basically right here. So there's a FOREO app right here. And this is under FOREO Sweden. So you can find it on the App Store. So you need to create an account first and you can start using it. So when you guys download the app and create your account, this is basically what it asks you. So it asks you guys some questions about your skin and everything. So the first one is asking, what is your skin type? Is it sensitive? Is it dry? Is it normal? Is it combination or oily? So once you guys finish that one, there's gonna be a few more questions to answer. So you just want to do all of that first. So once you guys finish setting up your account and everything, you guys can see that this is basically what the app looks like. So they show you guys all the products that they have right here. But you guys want to go to this bottom part right here to click on the add device part, so you can actually pair the device onto your phone, which is what we'll do right now. And then we'll get to this page right here where you will select whatever device you guys have been using. So for me, I'm using the UFO series. So I asked you guys when you guys got the device and everything, so I just want to answer those questions and then proceed to next step. And you guys can see the light pops on right here, so you guys know it's ready to be used. So on the app itself, it gives you guys the feature option right here to select each one. So if you want to add a new device, you guys can add a new device on the bottom part. Otherwise, you can click on the start button for the UFO device right here. And then on this page, it'll show you guys how to use it and everything. So it has the device info, how to use, it has the device care on how to actually manage it and take care of it. Some treatments, settings, and smart controls. And if you look at the top part right here, it shows you guys the battery percentage for the actual product itself. So that's how you guys know when you guys need to recharge it. And if you click on the treatment tab right here, it shows you guys all the products that they have right here in terms of which face mask you can buy. And if you click on smart control, you guys can control like the temperature and everything on here if you guys want it to be hot or cold. And then if you guys are wondering how to actually take care or how to wash the product, they actually teach you guys right here, which is the device care that I mentioned. So if you can see right here, it tells you guys how to take care of it. So you guys want to use soap and water, dry with a towel. You guys can use cleaning spray if you guys want to as well, but that's basically all you guys need. So let's just take one of these out first and try it out and see how it works and whether or not it actually works first. Alright, so we got the day mask right here, so you guys want to open it up. It's going to be a little bit slimy or wet, so you guys want to be ready to get your hands dirty. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like, you can see right here. So what you guys want to do is just put it onto the actual product itself right here. Make sure it's right in the middle where you can actually use the ring to lock it in place. And make sure you guys have a piece of paper on the side ready that you can use to wipe your hands. Alright, so once we put in the face mask right here, or the sheet right here, what you guys want to do is press it one time. And you guys want to press it one more time to activate it if you guys are using the daytime. If you guys are using the nighttime, you guys want to press it 2 times. And once that's finished, you guys can feel like a vibration, and now you can start using it. And it automatically heats up like a temperature, like a warm temperature, and then you can start using it on your skin and everything like what I'm doing right here. And then once it's done, it actually will turn off by itself, so you guys don't have to worry about it as well. And then obviously when you guys use this product, you guys want to make sure you guys wash your face before using it. So you guys want to make sure you guys use it for different parts of your face and everything, just move it around. Obviously since I'm wearing a hat right now, I can't use the top part right here unless I remove it, but that's okay. Another thing that I do want to mention is that for people who are like guys, if you guys are using this, you guys want to make sure you guys shave your beard before using it. That way it doesn't get stuck on the actual sheet or the fabric on here. So it should go on for around like 90 seconds or so, and then it should turn off by itself. So what's really cool about this device is the fact that it's basically like a face mask in a way. So you can use it for different parts of your face. It also has like a pulse option for the product itself, so that's definitely like a cool feature that's built into the product as well. And when we're using it, you guys can definitely feel that it's kind of like warm, and once it's like turns off or once it's done, you guys can definitely feel like the temperature going down, and you guys can hear that it turns off. So now it's off, if you guys can see and hear. So once you guys are done using it, you guys can remove this ring right here, remove the piece of paper, toss it away, and then you can rinse the product itself. The UFO is actually waterproof, so you guys want to just rinse it under the water, it's completely fine. Just make sure when you guys want to recharge this, let it fully dry first before replugging in the cable in here, because you guys don't want to damage it. But it is waterproof, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Alright, so we got the product right here. I want to show you guys how this works really quick. So the stand, you usually want to put like this right here, which is pretty cool. So pretty easy to use as a stand. You guys can put it on this side or the other side as well, like this. But I want to show you guys how to charge the product really quick and how to know when it's charging. So you guys can just charge it onto like a wall, adapter, or whatever, but I'm using my power bank right here. So once you guys plug it in, you guys can see the indicator light right there, and that's how you guys know when it's charging. So definitely pretty fancy way of showing you guys how the product is charging right here, as you can see. So pretty much the light pops on throughout the product in a circle, and this is what the back part looks like right here. Alright, so we got the product right here. I want to show you guys a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof. So I'm going to turn it on as well, so you can see. Alright, so I'm going directly on the bottom part right here as well. You guys can see that's still on. It is still working, so the product itself is waterproof. But now let me submerge it. Alright, so you see that it's fully submerged and it is working, so it is waterproof. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more about how to use the product and some of the benefits of each one of the face masks or the sheets, all the instruction is actually provided on their website or also on the listing as well, so feel free to check those out. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want like a more fancy and like more bougie like face mask routine or something, then this is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.